Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Larry's Fishing. After a brutal start to the winter, the weather has just been dreadful. It's actually a pretty nice day today. It's about 12 degrees right now. It's supposed to get up to 14, 15. Not much wind, so not a bad day to come out fishing. I brought cheese, bread, and corn. I'm going to rotate the three. I'd still like to catch another Murray cod before it gets too much colder, but big carp would do too. So we'll see how it goes. Hooked onto something. This is on the corn. Just a little tap, but man, he hit it hard after I pulled. I reckon he's got some size to him. That's a carp. It's a big one. There we go. 67 centimeters, pretty fat too. He's a big guy. So we're on the board. He's got a bit of size to him. Bit of flight here. Oh, I got off. Ah! And thought there was something on there, and there was. So I'm not sure if I got any of that on camera or not, but I was reeling in my line just to check the bait, and it felt like a twig or something, and I was just pulling it in, and then probably about 3 or 4 feet from the water's edge I saw something fall off. So it was a Murray cray and a crayfish, and I think I got a little bit of it on camera, at least I hope so. We're not allowed to keep those here though. They're protected here in the Edward River. But that was a bit different. Now we're into another one. This is off the cheese, so fingers crossed. Maybe it's a cod. Not fighting like one though. And because it's a carp. That's why. Another good sized fish. There we go. Not quite as big as the other one. This one's 58 centimeters. Looks a little fat too. Rawr. Well, can't complain about the afternoon. The weather was halfway decent. Does look like there's a bit of a storm coming in now, but we're going to get out of here. Just over 2 hours of fishing, 2 nice big carp, and then had the other one break off the line. That is the first time I've had any issues with that Berkeley tri-link. I've been using it now for the last probably month or two, and had no issues at all. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. It'd be much appreciated, and share this on. We're almost to 750 subscribers, so we'll have a giveaway. And until next time, keep fishing.